Okay, so here's another thing to think about. One of the techniques they're gonna try on people whenever all this comes out into the surface in front of the public is that they're gonna try and say, okay, well, we're gonna put this guy through all these different things, and we're gonna show him in a certain way to the public. And so, because we're gonna show him in a certain way to the public, they're gonna try and basically make me look like a sicko when I'm not. When I'm normal, I'm monogamous, heterosexual, and I don't have any weird tendencies towards anything. And so anyways, what is happening is, like, they're going to try and make me look like a sicko to the public to try to discredit me, and then to try to say, okay, well, we have all these different things against you, which is not really truly scientific if you actually think about it, because even if someone did look that way, that doesn't mean that they don't own those things. So all the things that I've claimed to own and all the things that I claim to have, I do in fact have. It's just the fact that I have so much that these families literally fell for temptation. I'm talking about the Rockefellers and the Rothschilds. And at least initially, if any other families jumped in, that's going to be another thing, and they should probably back away from the situation and just hand everything over, because otherwise there's going to be a worldwide investigation over this gradually. And with the advent of AI, there's no way to escape it. Everyone's minds will be tapped into just because of the actual valuation of what I have. So there's a massive military. Yeah, don't worry about like a whole reputation thing when it comes to other people. They can't destroy your reputations, because here's another thing. We can all side together, and these guys, like, they don't really have the same credibility when we're all siding together on this and exclaiming these things about them, like, versus us. So the other thing is that they're trying to say, like, okay, well, if you side with them, it's going to make you look bad. It's not, because I can still stand in my own right in the midst of a scientific debate in front of people, even on the world stage, and I can debate these guys. I mean, I am a scientist, I'm an engineer, a concept artist. I have a lot of different things that I'm capable of doing. I'm a writer. I'm like a lyricist. I have several lyrical works that I have put out there. One of them is called No Rest for the Wicked, and I actually, in fact, only put the incomplete version on Facebook. So it's in the Facebook archive, and I also have articles in the Facebook archive if, like, other people can get in there. There's one with the word etiolation, and this kind of gives you a better example of, like, what my intelligence is really like, so that you don't, like, because they'll attack people's confidence in this, so that they're going to try and convince people through social engineering experiments with AI that, no one should side with me, when in fact they should. Yeah, we're basically going to take over Hollywood, and we're going to turn Hollywood. We're going to revolutionize Hollywood and alter it, and become like a catalyst for what the next version of Hollywood's going to be. And so we're going to take all these industries over, because these guys don't know how to handle responsibility. So or wealth. They don't know how to handle wealth. So there's all these different campaigns against me right now. I wouldn't worry about all the negative things that are said about me or what these people try to do. We're straight up going to take all that. The music industry, the movie industry, all these artists, all these people, they're coming with me.